Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Binance credit card. First, ensure you have a verified Binance account and have applied for the card through the app or website. Once your physical card arrives, activate it instantly using the Binance mobile application. This quick setup links your card to your Binance funding wallet, preparing you for seamless crypto spending. It's a straightforward process to get you started. To use your Binance card, simply transfer your desired cryptocurrencies from your spot wallet to your funding wallet within the Binance app. The card supports various cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB. When you make a purchase, your crypto is instantly converted to the local fiat currency, allowing you to spend at over 60 million merchants globally, just like a regular debit card. It's a convenient way to utilize your digital assets. One of the great benefits of the Binance card is the cashback program, allowing you to earn up to 8% cashback in BNB on eligible purchases. You can easily track all your transactions, cashback rewards, and spending habits directly within the Binance mobile application. The app also provides full control over your card, letting you freeze it instantly if lost or stolen, ensuring your funds remain secure. Protecting your assets is paramount. Always enable two-factor authentication for your Binance account and card management. If your card is ever lost or stolen, you can instantly freeze or terminate it through the Binance app to prevent unauthorized use. Be vigilant against phishing attempts and only access Binance through official channels. For a smarter home, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.